Hi guys! How to do double exposure effect in Adobe Photoshop. Come on, turn on your computer and let's get started together. First, let's select the Quick Selection tool and click on the Select Topic option. Now let's click on Masking and then click on Solid Color and change it to white. Then let's put our layers on top of each other. Now let's add the image we will create to the page and place it. Let's convert the image into a smart object. Then, let's get color from the image by double-clicking on the third layer. Let's change the normal option to screen. Hover your mouse over the image, and when you see the arrow icon, click it by pressing the Alt key. Let's click on the actual image and play with the color settings. Then let's select the mask. Make sure its color is black and take our brush. While trying to make it more beautiful by adding the sky, look what I'm doing. It doesn't matter. Let's figure out the logic. I know you can give me better. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe. See you later.